Can you really trust Boldin with your retirement future? This is the real concern for DIY investors looking to avoid expensive financial advisors. I tested how it handles retirement forecasting, tax planning, social security timing, and scenario modeling to see how dependable it actually is. By the end of this video, you'll know if it builds real retirement confidence or leaves you with more uncertainty and risk. Now, to figure out if this Boldin Retirement software is worth your time, we have to start with how the platform actually works. I spent weeks testing Boldin and digging through every feature. I compared it against tools like Prolana, Projection Lab, and even basic retirement calculators to see where it really stands. And here's exactly what stood out to me. So the first thing you need to know about Boldin is how deep the retirement planning really goes. Most retirement calculators just show your savings balance and kind of call it a day. Boldin builds a complete retirement plan by modeling your income, investments, taxes, social security, healthcare costs, real estate, debt, and spending, all of it together. And that could be a lot. But here's the part I wasn't expecting. Instead of just showing you a number, Boldin projects whether your money is likely to last throughout your entire retirement. It also uses probability-based retirement analysis to stress test your plan against thousands of possible future outcomes. This helps you see not just one retirement scenario, but how resilient your plan may be under different market conditions. Compared to many retirement calculators that focus mainly on investment growth, Boldin delivers a much broader experience that accounts for many variables influencing retirement success. Now, here is where Boldin really shines. The what-if scenario modeling is one of the strongest capabilities I've tested. So with this, you can instantly test retiring earlier or later, delaying Social Security, downsizing your home, adjusting spending, planning Roth conversions, or preparing for market downturns. Then you compare the outcomes side by side and make your decisions. So for anyone who hates making irreversible financial decisions based on guesses, this feature can help reduce a lot of retirement uncertainty. Another huge feature is the tax planning and Roth conversion analysis. Boldin incorporates sophisticated tax planning directly into retirement forecasting. It models federal and state taxes, withdrawal strategies, Roth conversions, required minimum distributions, and IRMAA impacts. If you're worried about paying unnecessary taxes after retirement, this feature makes much more sense because taxes often become one of retirement's largest hidden expenses. Compared with many retirement planning tools that treat taxes as a simplified percentage, Boldin integrates taxes into nearly every retirement decision. The Boldin Roth Conversion Explorer is also particularly useful. It provides an opportunity to move money out of a pre-tax account, pay tax at times that are favorable to you and not the IRS, and get the money into a Roth where it'll never be taxed again. So for some retirees, this feature could potentially save thousands in lifetime taxes when used effectively. But for all this, don't just take my word for it. I looked online, I found some reviews, some conversation, and I found this Reddit user who explained why he upgraded to Boldin's PlannerPlus option. He loved the quick updating scenarios, things like the Social Security Planner and the Roth Conversion Calculator. Then there's the Boldin AI. This allows you to ask retirement questions in plain English using your own financial data, and it scans your own stuff and tells you. The platform continuously monitors your retirement plan and identifies planning opportunities. It highlights potential mistakes. It explains financial trade-offs in understandable language that you can easily interpret. Instead of creating a retirement plan once and forgetting it, you can continuously refine it as markets, income, or life circumstances change over time. But of course, this doesn't make the platform perfect, right? There are some downsides that you should be aware of before making your decision about Boldin Retirement Software. So one thing I noticed during my research is that Boldin requires a fair amount of manual data entry. A user on Reddit mentioned that they tried Boldin back when it was known as New Retirement, and they ended up dropping it because it didn't have an automated connection to Fidelity. They didn't want to deal with the manual entry. And I get that. It can be a lot of work. But the good news is that Boldin actually listened, and in my testing, automatic account linking now works great, pulling balances securely and saving serious time, but manual entry is still a part of it. Boldin has improved significantly since those early days. The interface is cleaner, the data entry is more intuitive, and the support team is responsive if you run into issues. Another thing to consider is the learning curve. Boldin is powerful, which means that there's a lot to learn. If you just want a simple retirement number, a basic calculator might be enough. But if you actually want to understand your retirement risk, test different scenarios, and make informed decisions, Boldin is worth the effort. So what does this all cost? Boldin offers two main pricing tiers. There's the basic plan, which is completely free. It's better than a simple retirement calculator, and it's a great way to take control and build a more complete financial plan. You can start here, enter your basic information, and see if the platform feels right for you. Next is the PlannerPlus plan, which unlocks the full power of planning with more inputs, more insights, and it helps you make better decisions and feel more confident about your future. It costs $12 per month or $144 billed annually after your 14-day free trial. Finally, there's Boldin Advisors. This plan lets you collaborate with a certified financial planner professional. You gain access to fee-only fiduciary expertise for a flat fee of $3,200. You get a comprehensive retirement plan checkup from a real professional, like anyone you would hire out in the wild, right? This is a great middle ground if you want professional advice, but don't want ongoing management fees. For the most current Boldin pricing, any active promo deal, and a detailed breakdown of what each plan offers, check the link in the description of this video. We try to keep it updated so that you can get the full picture before you invest. So, what is my final verdict on Boldin Retirement Software? Based on my testing, Boldin is one of the more trustworthy and powerful retirement planning tools available for DIY investors. It gives you professional-grade tools, advanced tax and scenario planning, and the confidence to make informed decisions about your future. It's not a simple calculator, it's a complete financial planning platform. Check the link in the description of this video to get started with our special discount and coupon.